So I actually started here right out of high school in 2019, and I started as a CNA. And Jennifer was my trainer. I nominated Jennifer for CNA of the Year because I have watched her mold the last couple of generations of CNAs. And she's been in our building since 1989. And she has just made such a powerful impact on that floor. And just cultivating the environment of this is a family, this is a home, that we're going to give the best care that we can possibly give. When she goes in and is taking care of anybody, like you can tell their hair is brushed, they look good, they look clean, the room's completely tidied. She's what I call the old school CNA that actually goes in and miters the corners of the bed, actually doesn't throw a big spread on. She goes those little extras for that patient, and just her integrity is just absolutely astounding. Jennifer has a heart for the people. She has a heart for our patients. And that's actually, I feel like that's really why she's been in the field so long, and why she's been here for so long. There are people that are meant to be leaders, and there are people that are meant to be caregivers, and Jennifer's got one of those personalities. When Jennifer trained me as a CNA, I think the biggest thing that I really learned about her was that the little things do matter. We may not think it does because these folks are, they live here, right? But they're leaving their whole life to live in this little space. And if she could do any small thing for them to make them feel like they have some control, she always made those small steps. And that, I think, is why, she has been so impactful. It is so gratifying to know that she actually made me want to be better. She was making those small differences. I just took it to another scale, but the personality is the same. And so she gave me that drive to say, yeah, Kim can be a nurse. And so Kim became one. Yeah, Kim can get her RN and be the director of nursing and impact 90 or 100 lives versus that one every single day, which is what Jennifer did. And then as the administrator, it's the same thought process. She pushed me unknowingly. She didn't even know that she was what drove me to be those things, to be an administrator so I can make an even bigger impact. We had a snowstorm, and I think we were snowed in for 4 or 5 days. And the day before the snowstorm came, because we all got an alert, and so we're all prepping. Here she came in with this big old bag of luggage and this air mattress, and Jennifer's rolling into the building, and she's like, "Where are you putting me at, Kim?" And I said, "Well, I don't know. Let's find you a spot." And I think she ended up sleeping in an office on an air mattress that day, and she literally stayed the whole time. It was me and her. We stayed that whole week, just to give that little bit of extra. And she didn't just fill in nursing. So she jumped into parts of the kitchen that she was able to do, and she would do those pieces. I think she even did some laundry. So that's who Jennifer is, and that is absolutely her personality, and that's what she gives back to this community. Jennifer, if I could share nothing else with you, it would be that I want you to know that you are inspiring. You have inspired me from the time I was 19. I was a kid, a single mom, trying to figure out what I was going to be for the rest of my life. And you inspired me to be better. You inspired me to strive for excellence and to know that no challenge was too big. And I want to thank you for all of that. And it is so rewarding to know that you're going to get acknowledged in this way, because you deserve it. Your heart deserves it. You are just such an amazing person, and I'm so proud of you.